OnePlus 70 Pro is one of the best smartphones of 2019. Many users like this smartphone for its sleek design, high refresh rate, great camera experience, and of course that amazing software experience. Now the OnePlus 8 Pro will be the successor to this OnePlus 70 Pro, and as expected it will be a great smartphone. As it's an OnePlus device, lots of leaks about OnePlus 8 Pro are surfacing online. Recently, a spec sheet containing almost all the specifications of OnePlus 8 Pro is leaked online, and today we are going to discuss about the same. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OnePlus 8 Pro. So with that, I am Raj, and now let's get in. So let's start with the cameras. On the rear, we will get a quad camera setup. It will have a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor as the main sensor, which is a great upgrade from the 48 megapixel sensor. This sensor will come with f/1.4 aperture, which is a very good news. The second sensor will be an ultra-wide angle sensor with 20 megapixel resolution. It will have f/2.2 aperture. The third sensor will be a 10x hybrid optical zoom telephoto lens with a resolution of 12 megapixel. It will have f/2.4 aperture. The fourth sensor will be a 3D TOF, that is time of flight depth sensor, for better portraits. This camera setup will have OIS, that is optical image stabilization, and EIS, that is electronic image stabilization support for stable videos. The 10x optical zoom lens will be very interesting add-on which is quite handy. On the front, we will get a dual camera setup. It will be situated in the pill-shaped cutout. Main sensor will be a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor. The second sensor will be a 3D TOF depth sensor for better portrait shots. It will also be used while face unlock. Now let's move towards the display. It will have a 6.7 inches QHD Plus display panel. It will be an AMOLED display panel from Samsung. This display will be curved from both the sides. This display will have a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a very good upgrade from 90Hz refresh rate of OnePlus 70 Pro. So this OnePlus 8 Pro display will be more fluid than the previous OnePlus smartphones. It will have Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It will not have any kind of notch as it will have a punch hole display. This pill-shaped cutout will house the dual front camera setup. There will be 4500 mAh battery in OnePlus 8 Pro, and it will support 50 watt fast charging, which is super fast. OnePlus 8 Pro will have stereo speakers just like OnePlus 70 Pro. It will also have the support of Dolby Atmos, which is great. Talking about the processing power, OnePlus 8 Pro will have Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, which is Snapdragon 865. This processor is more powerful than Snapdragon 855 and Snapdragon 855 Plus. It is being told that OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be the first smartphone from OnePlus to have official IP water resistance certification. OnePlus 8 Pro might have IP68 water resistance. With that, it could also be the first smartphone from OnePlus to have wireless charging support, though I highly doubt that. OnePlus 8 Pro will launch in 3 different variants, and those will be 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 256GB. LPDDR5 RAM will be used here, and we will get to see UFS 3.0 flash storage here. The expected prices of these variants are 49.99 yuan, 54.99 yuan, and 59.99 yuan respectively. This is ranged from 49,000 Indian rupees to 59,000 Indian rupees. OnePlus 8 series is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2020. So according to this, I can assure you that OnePlus 8 Pro will be an interesting smartphone. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave, and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj, and I will see you guys in my next video.